Hi, Troy from Clancy Jewellery. Just wanted to touch base with everybody to teach everybody how to clean their jewellery at home. We're all running around being extra careful with all this COVID going on, where we're using hand sanitizer every minute or two, and it's clearly not the best for your hands, but it is best for the germs. But unfortunately, all your jewellery, especially gemstones in your rings, they just love oil and grease. The oil and grease sits on the back of the gemstones, and that's when all the dirt, dead skin, dust all sticks to your gemstones. You probably have a look at your engagement rings or your dress rings, and you've noticed that your gemstones start to look milky and cloudy, and they don't sparkle anymore. And the reason is because of all the dirt and the junk stuck behind the gemstones. Now, the easiest way to clean that without running off into the city and going to the jewellery stores and spending big money for them to clean their jewellery is to clean it at home. What I recommend is get yourself a container, Tupperware container, bowl, doesn't really matter. Put some hot water in it. Don't boil the jug. We're going to stick our fingers in it. I don't want you to burn your hands. Get some dishwashing liquid. Put a little circle of dishwashing liquid around on the inside. Once you do that, I want you to get a toothbrush, an old one, not one you're using to scrub your teeth. This is ours from the workshop. It's filthy because we use it a lot. Mix the dishwashing liquid around. Make sure that it's all mixed nicely. Grab your ring. I want you to dip it in the water, get your toothbrush and scrub. Scrub all around behind, in through all the settings. Keep going, dunk the ring so that you can see what you're doing, and keep going until there's no more gunk sitting around behind all the gemstones. Once that's done, give it a good rinse, put it on a towel and give it a good dry. Once you've done that, all your rings are nice and clean. So now you can see all the diamonds and everything like that start to sparkle a lot more. No more cloudiness. They're all clean, ready to go. Because we're using a lot of hand sanitizer, the hand sanitizers, I don't know if you've noticed, a lot of them are sticky. They make your hands sticky. That stickiness sits behind all the gemstones. So then when you go about your daily activities, dust, dirt, dust mites, dead skin, everything then sticks to them and it makes it dirty. We're keeping our hands and our bodies nice and clean. But it's no good if we're running around with filthy, dirty rings that have got germs attached to them. So I would like everybody to take the time, 5-10 minutes of your day, once a week, get a container with some warm soapy water and an old toothbrush and give it a good clean. If you keep your jewellery nice and clean, firstly, you're not carrying around diseases and germs on your hands all the time, especially while you're eating or you're handling your children. And secondly, hey, your jewellery is going to be sparkly and clean all the time. Thank you for watching. That's my tip on how to clean your jewellery at home without having to pay big money to us jewellers. If you've got any questions or concerns or you'd like some extra help, please reach out, make a comment, send us an email. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Thank you, have a great day and stay safe and well.